Another fine Saturday to be out exploring. There's the pick 'em up. Right there. Little cave action. What do we think is in there? Probably nothing good, I would guess, if I was a smart man. All right, ooh, pretty steep right here. I went to the actual waterfall, but there's a loop to do a bigger section. So we're gonna keep going. It's quite a climb to get to this point. At least an incline, not a long climb. But yeah, let's get a little snacky snack here. And it's a bigger bite than I thought. And then press on. Just goes up above the falls. And then around, there's a big loop like that. Got a little different bag today. It's a Molly 2 patrol bag that I have been looking for forever. They're hard to find. I finally found one, so I had to get it because I have a surplus problem. But yeah, the falls are getting kind of busy in this summer and stuff. You can swim down there, I guess, which I might come back and do because it's pretty cool. It's freaking cold out right now. It's like 30, but I hear an owl behind you. And I can't see him, but I want to see him. I want to see him. There's a bunch of holes up there. And he's got to be in one of those, obviously. So, he's talking. Oh boy. It's slick. Don't like that. Here's the deal. Everybody's gonna die. Some people wonder how. I don't really wonder. I'm sure my parents love that. Love it. Holy crap. Just like climbing in the gym, yeah? Ew, wee. Yeah. Thanks for the graffiti. That's gonna be fun. What we have here, kids, is the conundrum to go up there and squeeze in, because I'm not going back down there. I don't know if you can tell how narrow it is. It's gonna be a good time. I think I'm off trail. Guns up. We're gonna send it. I can scratch my GoPro. That's okay. That was a sketch city. I wanted to record it from the ground, but I never would have got my phone back. So tough shit. Oh man. Like 127 hours down there. That was sweet. Now that I didn't get killed. Obviously I made it, or they wouldn't be talking to me, but yeah, that was probably the sketchiest stuff I've ever done without a crash pad or a lead or someone to hold me, I guess, if I fall. It's not a short distance. It was cool though, because I made it. Don't worry, already cleared, no one's coming. Just give you an idea. Yeah, that wouldn't have been fun to fall. JSing. Tony, what's the payoff for risking your life of almost busting your ass? Well, that. Okay, so overgrown was true. I'm gonna crawl through that, or I can cut that way. Let's see what the mappy poo looks like. Don't give me that crap. So it's saying to go through that little hole. Oof, da. Okay. Well, we can do that. It's gonna be a crawling situation. I don't know why my knees are bad either. Okay, then I can just get low. I'm actually on my hands and knees. Oh, really, real low to the flow. Let's go. Oh, ow, that's my head. Can't believe I lost my sunglasses here. What the hell was that? It's a little cave-like areas. Like, unless it rained, be a good place to tuck up in. You have to clear the rocks to sleep. You can see there's moisture come down through there, so it probably wouldn't be great if you were stuck out here though. It'd be better than laying in the open. You have a back wall and a little top, and your gear that you brought, because we go nowhere without stuff for an overnight, at least a shitty overnight, so it would not be comfortable. Really cool geology in here. I love it. Love it. Okay, I got a little warm, so I lost the, I took the puffy off, put it in my bag. We are deep in the canyon. Trying to find this thing called the Old Man in the Owie. So it's spelled O-W-Y-H-E-E. I call it the Owies. And then of course people that know how to actually pronounce it get pissed off. So now that's what I'm gonna call it because I think it's funny. Owie. Nobody comes back here. This trail's so overgrown, but it's awesome because nobody comes back here. So I'm looking for this old man. It's a rock formation, and we will see. If I find him, you obviously know I will take pictures and show you, because that's what we do here on Winter's Outdoors on this episode. See if we can do this with a lack of swimming. Hadouken! Yeah, buddy. The search for the Hawaii man, the Owie mountain man continues. We crossed the stream here about, I don't know, 7 or 8 times. We've got to get close to this thing. Looking at my map, oh, Kelly Clarkson. And it's beautiful, but I didn't see this old man's face. It's somewhere back there. I think it's one of those right angle, right time things. And I probably just walked past it. I kept looking back, but I think this loop is supposed to go around and then come back up. What's that little guy? Goodbye, go, homie. Little hatch going on, might be good fishing. Whew. Alrighty, let's press. All right, well, we still have access to water. We are going to fill the canteen. I have my filter with me and my dirty water bag, so I'll show you guys that, probably on the GoPro, and we'll keep moving. Back on the move. Got a snacky poo out. Little pistachios. Pistachios. Man, this trail is awesome. If you don't like to traverse things and you're nervous that you're gonna eat it, it wouldn't be great. But if you just check your footing before you give all your weight on it, should be okay. I wouldn't suggest doing the climbing portion I did. I'm not a super experienced climber, but do have some experience, and if I had none, that probably would have been brutality. I think I have to go up there. That's gonna be good. You know what I'm saying? All right, here we go. Okay, we up now. That's where I was down in, through that whole section there. Up here, you can see the trail down there. And then it crosses back over, and then we're going back up out of the canyon. That old man is supposed to be like right in here, and I can't see it. I don't know where he's at. I think it's an angle thing. I don't think I have the right angle. We're gonna press though. Yeah. Holy shit. While we meander back to the vehicle here down this little dirt trail, I'm gonna tell you, layering is so important, especially on winter hikes. I started out with this thing zipped up pretty good. I had gloves on, like mitts, and my beanie. And then I got to a point that I was just down to my base layer, a 250 weight merino wool base layer. If you have questions on where to get them cheap, I know, because that's my jam. Super comfortable, but now the wind's blowing across this open land here, and it's making me chilly. So I stopped, put the jacket back on, put the hat back on. So you never want to fill your bag like to the top, brimming full. Like obviously a huge bag, you're gonna try to fill it. That's just kind of how it goes. Like, oh, I got more room, what else could I bring? Always try to leave enough space where you can wad up your jacket or a layer or two and jam in there. So if you have to take it off, you're not just carrying it over your arm, because that sucks. It like wears you out in a weird way. So layers like onions and Olgas. Little informative thing here, little speech time. If you see me on a trail and you have a dog, I will let your dog lick me and pet me and all that good stuff. So don't freak out. I know people do because some people don't like dogs, but I have a dog. I'm a dog person, so as long as your dog doesn't bite me, they can lick me and smell my hands, and it doesn't bother me, and I don't care. So bring out your pups. There she is. We are back in the vehicular and on the exit. Really good trail. Definitely some harder stuff than I thought it was going to be, but very cool. So definitely had some climbing that I did not plan on doing, but I'm okay with that. Which way am I going here? Ooh, little turnaround. But yeah, thanks for coming along, and I will see you next time.